Hello, and welcome back to Simtrex's video series demonstrating how to easily modernize your EDI processes. The focus of this video will be on implementing cross-border e-invoicing and matching country-specific regulations without coding efforts. Here is an architectural diagram that serves as just one way we are able to accomplish this. You will notice there are three entities present, the first of which is a sending party, located on the lower left side of the screen. This party has adopted and implemented Simtrex's Compleo software solution and is therefore equipped with the capability to send invoices to a country's designated government entity as well as to any business partners that will receive the invoice. These business partners are named Receiving Party and are located in the bottom right corner. However, because the invoices for this example are being processed in Mexico, we must involve the Mexican government entity as well. This Mexican government entity is located in the top right corner. They have to receive every invoice for business in Mexico, verifying its contents and providing a confirmation of having verified it before the invoice can then be sent out to customers. This confirmation is known as a timbre. In this example, a person from the sending party starts by sending invoices in PDF format to be processed and furthered by Compleo. Compleo then converts that submitted PDF invoice into XML format, as that is the only way this particular government accepts invoices. While this bidirectional communication between Compleo and the government is occurring, Compleo Reports is diligently logging key data and providing a real-time status. Once the government has processed the invoice, it adds onto the XML by applying additional information that serves as a proof of delivery and certification. Compleo then grabs that XML, returned from the government, and quickly converts it into a new, visually pleasing PDF that not only has all the original elements of the invoice, but also has the government's proof of delivery. We even add a QR code that redirects to Mexico's invoice verification page, and this page will automatically load with all the special text fields filled out for your convenience. Furthermore, we have opted to include the XML verified by the government onto the PDF. This file is finally sent to receiving parties via your choice of delivery. This could be either Compleo Gateway, FTP, email, SFTP, or even APIs. Here is a slide with just some of the benefits this type of solution allows for. Feel free to pause and read should you so be inclined. I aim to show you the solution in action. Here, we have the Compleo Gateway solution, which serves as a way to perform document exchange services via a user-friendly portal. This particular example has been configured to take advantage of the portal as we feel it simplifies the process. I'm going to go ahead and log in so that you can see what the portal looks like. And now that I've logged in, you can see that we have processes in the top, my username on the top as well as different file names. I'm going to go ahead and click on this gateway that says interacting with government platform, as it is the flow that corresponds with this demonstration. We're going to be interacting with a government platform. And you can see that we have a portion to upload our invoices from my device. I'm going to be uploading 4 different invoices into the partner to send to the partner, and the partner is a tax authority that interfaces with the Mexican government. Now that I've populated those 4 invoices, we had check marks denoting that they were ready to send. Now, before I upload, I just want to show you what these 4 different invoices look like. They are PDF format, they are in Spanish, and they're not very visually appealing. However, they do contain all of the information necessary in order for the Mexican government to validate it. Now that I've gone ahead and uploaded these, I will receive immediate feedback via the status report. You can see that we have a status bar. You can have 3 different statuses. We have the processed status, the processing status, and the sent status. And this allows me to know which point in transit each of these invoices is in. If I click this refresh button, it updates and shows me that all invoices submitted have been processed. In this flow, we have the receiving party receiving email notifications with attached invoices in PDF form. However, even though this is great, please know that we can also receive invoices and really any returns that have been configured via the portal itself. Now that I've refreshed once more, you can see that this return column has lots of values that say 1 because each of these invoices are now being resent back with alterations, transformations, and they are referred to as return documents. I'm going to go ahead and click on this paperclip so that you can see the attached return file. Gives you information, pulls specific data. Now that I click on the download file, you can see that on the top right corner I have CFDI and certification date and time, all this different information that the government was able to place into the XML file that we've now repurposed to put into this visually appealing PDF. Likewise, we have certificate information in the bottom right corner, as well as the QR code that Compleo was able to add that will pre-fill all the information into the government website in order to verify the invoices. Keep in mind, once again, that this invoice is the invoice that was submitted to the government, just being repurposed, altered, beautified, and this is what it actually looked like before, right? We've just added a bunch of the government verification stuff on top of it. Embedded within the PDF, we can place the original XML that we used to make the PDF, and this is what that would look like. Here's the PDF, and on the very bottom is a complemento, which is the stuff the government added. So as you can see, Compleo is able to efficiently convert, transform, and automatically deliver to recipients. I'd also like to show you what the various invoice emails look like. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. You can see that they contain various informations in the body of the email, and the PDF is attached. We have company name, RFC, totals. We've essentially scraped all the data that we can and put it into the body of the email. Of course, you are able to change however you'd like and personalize the emails to the best of your ability. And last but certainly not least, I'd like to show you our reporting functionality. If you recall on the architecture, it was step number 2. Compleo is reporting information as it is being processed. And we have already pre-configured different columns that we would like to capture certain data, right? Whether it's the invoice number, certificate number, fiscal data, the name of the sender, who is sending the invoice, all this different data that the Mexican government would like to know, we are able to capture, and then also additional stuff, like if there's an error message, right? Éxito means it's successful, vigente means it's valid, and yeah, we just have a lot of different fiscal data. Likewise, we can also, even though this view is handy, we can also filter by different views, right? Different parameters. So that is useful. Likewise, we can export to Excel so that this data may be further manipulated within an environment that is more well known, Microsoft Excel. This marks the ending of the video. Thank you so much for viewing it in its entirety. If you have any questions at all about this solution, if you'd like to know and learn more information, please feel free to contact us at sales@cimtrex.com. My name is David Ibarra. I am a solutions consultant, and it's been a great pleasure to be able to present this to you.